Hey guys, and welcome back. So, something came up local to me and it was too good to say no. So, say hello to the new member of the fleet. If I can open this. 1993 Robin LE93. Let's take a look around. And this channel isn't just about Reliance, it just seems to be something I'm into at the moment. There she is. Right, we're going to push it out. It needs a wash and we'll have a look around and we'll see what needs to be done. Wait. So there, I'm going to get it all out. Yeah. And there she is. Look at that glorious colour scheme. So it's an LE93, which means it's a limited edition. Yep, come on camera, catch up. Right, it's an LE93, which means it's a limited edition. And this one is number, let's take a look in here, it's on the dash, number 147. So from the outside, all she needs is these locks freeing up. The boot freeing up. A good wash. These need replacing. And a headlight at the front. I'm not getting on with this gimbal, it's not listening to me. It needs that headlight. Right, let's take a look inside. So she's not bad inside, pretty clean. The chair under this cover looks lovely. Nothing wrong with that. Looks good. Needs a darn good clean, so we get the steamer in here. We can't open the boot, but we've pulled the seat down, had a look, everything's good in there. It's got the original jack and tyre iron. It's 2 owners from new. Let's have a look how many miles are on the clock. She has got, where is it? There we are. 51,000 miles. Not bad at all. Right, let's give her a wash. Actually, let's take a look under the bonnet as well. So we need a bonnet latch. Need a battery. It's been standing since 2009, where it failed its last MOT on binding brakes and a dodgy headlight. So fingers crossed, there's not much work to do. Just a refurb and a recommission. And then an MOT. And there we are, looking much better after a little wash. Not too bad. Some marks in the paint, but I think they might come out with a bit of effort. Come on, gimbal. So, mind the bin. There's things like that on the door there. Looks like it's quite ingrained. Probably give it another soaking with traffic film remover and give it another clean. Give the engine a little bit of a clean. Not much you can see in there at the moment. It's a little 850. I think it's an 850. So we'll give that a service. We'll chuck a battery on it. And in the next episode on this one, we will try to see if it'll run. Because it hasn't started since 2009. At some point, this car has had ivy growing inside it. That's ivy patterns stuck on the inside of the glass. And we also found something cool under the seat. The old tax disc from, when is that? 2006, I think. The Kingsway, Swansea Post Office, 23rd of June 05. Cool. You see that? I love finding stuff like that. So that's a quick intro to the new car in our fleet. Like I say, it came up local. We couldn't resist at the price it was at. All we're going to do with this one is get it back on the road, get it serviced, get it running, and enjoy it for a little bit. So let me know what you think in the comments. Cheers. Ta-ra.